Okay, so I guess most of us are in the class now. So I think we had started with a couple of activities. The reason was for us to learn and for us to participate, right? And I want all of you to participate full-heartedly so that you can learn. We can also learn from each other. That's the idea, right? That's the participation. As students, you may feel like doing some mischief. You may feel like, doing what I'm sure by mistake, what Deep and others did. It is not a good idea because college is the time where you should do, say, adventures. You should learn by going out of the way, but for learning. Because experience, my friends, are not very good teachers. Experiences, if you have good, it's a very good teacher. If you have bad experiences, you'll still learn, but it's not a good teacher, right? So do whatever you do with responsibility, right? So that's what the college life is all about. You take responsibility, you reap the fruits, right? If you don't take responsibilities, you will invite problems. I'm sure you don't want problems. So that's what the bottom line. Okay, so last couple of sessions,
What
what
did
we,
they do, sir?
they know what they did. You need not to know what they did, right? Fine. What you remember is you behave like a student. Students are those who are there for learning, right? We are ready to go out of the way. In fact, students, not only in the classroom, but even out of the classroom, our numbers are available. They are approaching us at the evening. They are asking questions. If they are academic questions, we are all there. We are helping them by going out of the way, right? So that is what you should be engaged with, right? I'm sure what they did was a mistake. It was not a bad intention. It was just students that they do. So I'm sure you don't need to go into that detail. Anyways, I hope you could see the screen that I shared with you. Can you see the screen? So today, what we can see is we are going to have the question and answer, right? So that is, we need to ask many questions. As students, you will need to ask many questions, right? And that's what we are going to learn today, to ask a few questions. There are ways in which we learn how to ask questions, and that's what this entire session would be all about, right? I will be inviting all of you for your participation, and I want you to participate. I'll be more than happy to have your participation, whether it is correct, incorrect, right? That's absolutely fine. So that's what I want all of you to do. So let's look at what we are going to have today. So as I said, today we are going to learn to ask basic questions, right? Because see, as students, especially in this special kinds of situations, it's not an ordinary classroom, it's an online classroom. So there'll be other kinds of say challenges, there'll be other kind of opportunities. For example, in the previous traditional classes, the recordings were not available. So like some of the late students, those who requested that, sir, they were not there in the first couple of sessions. So for them, the recording is available. Or even those who were there in the class and they had some doubts or they wanted to go back to the doubts they have. What they can do is they can go back to the recording and they can study well. So it's not only the uh, challenges, but there are opportunities also. So there, one thing that will remain the same, be it online classes or offline classes, and that would be the questions. So as students, you will need to ask questions. You may have some questions, you may have some doubts, and for all these doubts and queries and questions, you will have to ask questions. But there are ways in which we'll ask the question. So what I'll do is I'll give you a few samples of the questions. Let me know if you can see these questions on your screen. So these are the questions. I want you to have a look at it. Yeah. So these are a few questions you can see. Okay. After a minute or two, I just want you to read these questions and then I want you to help me to tell me what do you think is common in these questions. First is, of course, all of these sentences are questions, right? So that you can make out from the question mark at the end of every sentence. What else do you think is common in these questions? Yes, when you are asking, only then it is called question. So yes, it is a question. All of them are in the present tense. Okay, what about the second question? Harsh said all of them are in present. If you look at the second question, Harsh, you might change your observation. Okay, verbs are put first. Yes, yes, I think Yusuf observed an interesting point. All the first words, if you notice, are verbs, helping verbs or some kinds of verbs, right? First is true, all of them are questions. Second, you could see all of them are, of course, asking something. That's why they're called question. And as Yusuf rightly observed, all these, say, questions are starting with the verb, right? So that's true. Conversation with other, yes, with sentences also we can do the conversation, Ajay. But this is something unique. Conversation is common, like any sentence with which you can converse. And so with the question. Yes, that's a good observation. It will be your work, right? Yes, reflected. Yes, so that was are missing in your work. Fine. Any other observation that you find? One is all of them are questions. Second is all of them are helping verbs. They are starting with the helping verb. They are asking something. Fine. What else do you observe that is common in all these questions? They are not limited to one tense, as I think some of you are saying. There is a range from past to future to present, right? So varieties of tenses are used. So that's not the case that it's only from one kind of a tense or one kind of a time zone. That's not the case. Yeah. What do you think else? Any other thing that you notice? How would you answer these questions? What do you think would be, how would you start? First person is asking and the second person is answering. Fine. Your answer could be yes. What Miraj said, it will be a yes answer. Could it be no also? Yes, as you said. Is there any third possibility of these questions? Some of you said positive response. It could be negative response also, right? For example, somebody says, "Are you coming?" What is your answer? It depends, right? But broadly speaking, there'll be only two possibilities. If somebody asks you, "Are you coming?" What's your answer? Yes. Either yes or no. There is no third possibility, right? Yeah, you may go like Bhatti said, Dhaval said, maybe, right? But clearly it will be either yes or no. There could be maybe, it depends. All those responses are possible. But basically, if you see most of the questions, all of these questions can be answered with yes or no, isn't it? So this is there. So why do you think these questions are asked? Speaker to the listener, yes, that's true. Yes, no, yes, all these questions can be answered either with yes or no. So if you just want to know yes or no from the listener, what is your purpose of asking? You want to know something. So what do you want to know? Do you want to know some information? So Jay, you want to know some information? Yes, so Janisa said confirmation. That's a good point. What do you mean by confirmation, Janisa? Yes, Venus also said confirmation. So confirmation of what? Confirming what? Yes, Janisa, what do you mean by confirmation?
To confirm the scene or the thing which is performed?
To confirm the scene, to confirm what he or she is asked. If it is right or wrong, that's not the case, Jay. Mm, let's say you have made your mind that you are going somewhere, right? And you just want confirmation whether your friend or a sister is coming or not coming, right? So your question is, are you coming, right?
Yes.
You don't want a detailed answer, right? You just want a
Yes.
confirmation, yes or no, right?
Okay.
So based on that, you are going to go ahead with it. So Jay said opinion, advice. Well, you are not interested in their opinion, right? Let's say I'm going to, let's say, that pizza shop. So how is the pizza shop? Is it a good place to go? Is not what you're asking. You are just asking, are you coming? Right? Or even if you want to know opinion, you just want to know yes or no. Is it a good place? You will say yes or no. Right? So what you are doing when you are asking these kinds of question is you just want to get the confirmation, right? And that's why popularly these kinds of questions are known as, I'm sure you must have heard, yes no questions, right? Where the answer would come either in yes or in no. There could be an extension also. Yes, I'm coming because I'm interested. No, I'm not coming because I'm busy. Other details can come, but the word with which the answer would start would be mostly either yes or no, right? So that's why it is called yes no question. I'm sure you must have studied these kinds of questions, and you can see that. So there, as we discussed, you are not interested in information, but you just want the confirmation. So such kinds of questions, when they're asked, they are called yes no question. You just want confirmation, right? So that's the purpose of these kinds of questions. The purpose of asking these kinds of questions, when you just want a confirmation, you don't want discussion. There is no space for discussion, right? Or before you discuss, you just want to confirm. Do you want to discuss, for example, right? So if he says yes or no, depending on that, you will start the discussion, right? But the first thing first, yes or no. So there are many situations where you need to ask yes no questions, right? So we have seen a few examples here. You can see these are the examples, and you can see there are many situations where you are asking yes or no question, right? So this is the structure, this is the purpose for which you do. Now I want you all to help me with some kinds of say forming yes no question is quite simple. I guess all of you know by now that it will be more like a structure which is very simple that starts with this. So these are some examples, right? I just want all of you say it's a very simple thing. So I'm sure you can do that, is to participate, right? So I just want all of you to ask, right? At least one yes no question to me. You'll ask and then I'll try and respond, of course, with yes or no. Right? Possible? Okay, so very quickly I'll be inviting you from the list that I have, I'll be calling you. So from that list, you may join. Okay, so let's start with, I'll call the name, you can unmute your mic and then you can ask at least two yes no questions. You already, these are the sample questions on your screen. By taking some say examples from there, you can form your own question. You can look at these questions. You need not to use the same questions that are there on the screen. Fine. So let's start. So I could see Jigar in my list. Yes. So Jigar, can
Yes,
you
sir.
hear my voice? Jigar, what's
Yes,
your
sir.
question?
So, sir, my question is Mr. Smith a teacher?
Can you repeat your question?
Is Mr. Smith a teacher?
Okay. Is Mr. Smith our teacher? I don't know. Right? Tell me. So that was first question. Second,
Sir, second question is Brazil in Asia?
is Brazil in Asia? So that's a good question. So that's confirmation, yes or no. I don't think so. It is in Brazil is not in Asia, right? So that's two questions from Jigar. Thank you, Jigar. Okay, then we
Thank
have
you, sir.
Pujan. Pujan, are you there, Pujan? Are you there, Pujan? Pujan Donga. Okay. Do we have Diviraj? Diviraj Parmar? Diviraj? Can you hear my voice? Diviraj? I think there is some network issue with them. Puneet Kumar, are you there, Puneet? Puneet Kumar, can you hear my voice? Hello. Okay. Okay. Do we have Vanshita? Vanshita? Vanshita, can you hear? Yes. Can you hear my voice?
Sir,
Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
my first question is,
Are
have you
you ready? Are you ready? That's instruction also. That's an example also. Yes. So go ahead with your example.
Is this your pen?
Is this your pen? No, it's not my pen.
The last chapter in the book was written by Hugh Hewitt.
Okay. If you can reform your question, you can start with did you. You can start with did you. Think of it. You can start the same question by did you.
Did you came yesterday?
Did you came yesterday or did you come yesterday?
Come.
Yes, because it's did, so come. So did you come yesterday? I came. I don't know about you. Did you come yesterday?
No, sir.
Oh, you must be busy with something else, I'm sure. Okay, so that was Vanshika. Then we have Jay. Jay, are you there? Jay? I think
Which day, sir?
Jay Dobaria?
Okay, sorry, I'm not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Jay. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Will you ask me a question?
Of course, sir.
Yes, I gave you 3 examples. Now you give me 2.
Now, my first question is, are you drunk?
Are you drunk? Okay, so that's drunk as noun, right? No, I'm not. Yeah, next.
Okay. Do you bring your wallet today?
Do you bring your wallet today, or you want to say did you? Anyways, do is also fine. Do you bring your wallet today? I bring my wallet every day. Done,
Two
Jay?
question done. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
so you're done. You're done. So interesting questions by Jay. After Jay, we have Janissa. Janissa,
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
good afternoon. Did you ask Google?
Yes, sir.
Did Google answer?
Yes.
Okay. And did you understand the answer?
Yes.
Okay. So would you like to share your answer?
Yes, sir. The meaning the meaning of my name is God of gracious. The meaning of gracious is kind, and my name is from Sanskrit language.
Okay. Okay. Good to know that. Chali. So happy discovering your name. So now,
Yes.
will you ask a few questions?
Yes, sure, sir.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
May I explain?
May I explain this or that? You have to add to complete the question. May I explain this
Okay.
or may I try this? Yes, you can.
Okay.
Yes, you may.
Okay. Am I right?
Am I right? Okay. Okay. So that's fine. Yeah.
Did I tried well?
Did I tried well or did I try well? What do you think? Did I come
Tried,
or did I
maybe.
came? If you remember, Vanshika also made similar say
Okay.
structure. So
Okay, it
did,
should be try.
Yes. Did I try? You tried very well. You tried very well.
Okay.
Right? So thank you,
Thank you,
Janisa.
sir.
Okay, so after Janisa, we have Abhishek. Do we have Abhishek? Abhishek Raj?
Sir, Abhishek Raj, yeah, or Abhishek?
Abhishek Raj. In my list, I could see Abhishek Raj.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, Abhishek Raj. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you from India?
Yes, sir. I'm from Bihar, India.
Okay, sure. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, yeah, may I drink water?
May I?
And
No, repeat your
is
first
your
question.
favorite
Repeat your
subject
first question. Abhishek. May I
Okay, sir. May I drink water?
drink water?
Sir, drink होगा कि drunk होगा?
You tell me, do you drink water and tea or do you
Oh,
do
sir,
something
take,
else?
sir. Sorry, take.
Yes. So repeat your question now.
May I take water?
May I take water? Yes, you can and you should. Right, so good. I could see some of the students also remembered. Harsh, Avdesh, Awadh, Krishna. So very good. Krishna, check your spelling of take. Otherwise, fine. Yes, so second question, Abhishek.
Sir, second question is your favorite subject English?
Almost correct. Can you repeat?
Sir, is your favorite subject is English?
You think you need to rephrase it? Is English से करेगा शुरू. अब try करो. Is English?
Is English your favorite subject?
Perfect. अब perfect हुआ. You don't need to repeat.
Thank you, sir.
है ना? तो English 2 बार आ रहा था. That's why it was incorrect. So आप फिर से बताओ.
Is English your favorite subject?
It is my favorite subject. I hope it is yours as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good try, Abhishek. Yes. Next to Abhishek, we have Shivani Ba. Do we have Shivani Ba with us? Shivani Ba, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shivani Ba. So can you ask a few questions, at least 2?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
I would like to ask, do we really have our freedom with us?
Well, it depends. What do you call freedom? Right? It depends on the
Okay.
definition of freedom. If you define freedom based on that. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
The other question can be, are you really living?
Are you really living? Are you living?
Okay.
Really, are you living? Or really, I think is a phrase we can use at the beginning also, at the end also, and the center also. So that's fine.
Okay.
So better phrase would be, are you sure you are living? Because really does
Okay.
not go with it. That's why. So
Okay.
are you sure you are living? That could be the better
Okay.
phrase. Right? Yeah.
Thank you.
Good. So next after Shantiba, I could see Shivaniba, and then we have Jay Dave. Yes, Jay.
Yes, sir. My first question is my English good?
Is my English good? Okay. A polite way of asking could be, I hope my English is good.
Okay.
Do you see the difference? Is my
Yes,
English
sir.
good? Is a correct question, but a direct question. And English is notoriously known for being indirect. Right? You always say, oh, I hope my English is good enough. Not just good enough.
Oh,
See?
okay.
So that's first. Yes, next.
Can we play cricket together?
Can we play cricket together? I wish I could.
Thank you so much, sir.
Fine. So that was Jay. Then we have Dhaval Bhatti. Yes, Dhaval.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you from Gujarat or you're from Bihar?
From Gujarat.
You're from Gujarat. Yes. So are you ready with your questions?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Have you studied for exams?
Have
Have you studied for exams?
you studied for exams? I Used to. I used to.
Will you come for a walk?
Will you come for a walk? Yes, I would love to. I would love to. Thank you. So that was, these were two good questions. Then we have, I think somebody called Miraj. Miraj, is it your first name or your last name? Miraj,
First name.
your first name. And what does it mean?
No, sir.
Okay, so Miraj means no.
No.
Miraj means no. Do you know how to find out the meaning of your name? You can ask Janisa. She just discovered the way. So you also find out. Fine. So
Yeah.
in the meantime, you may ask one or two questions.
Did you make a meal?
You?
Make a meal.
Okay, do you mean to say cooking? In terms of that
cooking.
meal, 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 right? Okay, so there you better say, did you make, did you cook? Is a better way of asking. Very direct and simple. Did you cook today? Right? So that's
Did
better.
you cook today? Yeah.
Did you cook today? Yeah.
You go to Rajkot.
Is it a question? You go to Rajkot. Is it a question? If you look at the structures you will get, it starts with verb, right? You is not a verb, right? So what do you think you will have to change? You want to ask, right? Rajkot gaya tha, that's what you want to ask, right?
Right.
How will you ask? I'll help you. It will start with do, does, or did. Now you think. Gaya tha, past tense. Now you think.
You go to Rajkot.
Gaya tha, past tense. What's the past of do? Past tense of do. Did you? Did you notice the examples I gave you? The same way. Rajkot gaya tha. It will be, did you go to? Isn't it? Yeah. So did you go to Rajkot?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, one more question you can try. Did I help you correctly?
Yeah.
Did I help you properly?
Yeah.
Did I motivated you enough so that you can speak next question? Go ahead with your next question.
You will try?
Sorry?
You will try?
हाँ, उल्टा हो जाएगा. Will पहले आएगा. अब try करो.
Will you drive?
Will you drive? So will you remember these structures now? Right? You will remember, right? So that's good. That's good. So that was,
Yeah.
so good try, Miraj. Okay, so then I think we have Priyanshu. Sure, you're most welcome. Priyanshu, do you have Priyanshu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Priyanshu. Will you ask a few questions?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
May I wait here until then?
May I wait till then?
Yeah, till then. Okay.
Till then. May I wait till here? Okay.
Did you go to the cinema yesterday?
Did you go to cinema yesterday? No, I did not go to cinema from last 6 months.
Okay.
Did you go to cinema, any of you? They are still closed, right? So nobody
Yes.
could go. Yeah.
Did your friends come to your party?
Did your friends come to your party? Well, I did not offer any party, so they could not come. Right? So, like theaters, parties are also banned. So, let's hope that the pandemic comes to an end and we may have some party. Till then, we'll have to wait.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So good examples. So then we have Vivek. Vivek Gupta. Do you have Vivek?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Vivek, can you ask a few questions?
Yes, sir. Can you have breakfast with me?
Okay. Can you have breakfast with me? Sure. When I'll come to Bihar, definitely.
Okay, sir. My next question is, are you a teacher of Marwari University?
I think I am. Otherwise, I cannot take the sessions, you see. Yeah, so these are two questions by our friend. What's his name? I forgot. Yeah, thank you for your question. Then we have Ronak. Do we have Ronak Babaria?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ronak, what's your question?
Do you like a vanilla ice cream?
No, I don't.
Sir, my second question.
What's your
Have
second
you
question?
ever seen a ghost?
Can you repeat your question?
Have you ever seen a ghost?
Have you ever seen a ghost? Every day, every day. Right? Have you?
Ever.
Never.
EVER.
Have you ever seen? That's the question, but I'm asking you. Have you seen?
No, no.
Oh, you become a teacher and then you see it
Never
every day.
seen.
Right. So that's nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes. So according to my list, next is Yusuf. Yusuf, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Okay, so my first question is your name Mihir Dave?
Yes, it is.
And second, do you know that the capital of India is Delhi?
Do you know the capital of India is Delhi? Oh, I did not know that. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Who's next? Then we have Hinal. Hinal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Would you mind to give me your laptop for some days?
Repeat your question. It's a good phrase.
Would you mind to give me your laptop for some days?
Would you mind giving? Right. After this, would you mind is a very formal phrase. That's a very good example that you gave. It's a formal way of asking somebody, requesting somebody. Right. So, would you mind giving? So, would you mind giving your laptop for some day? So that's a very good phrase. Yes. Next.
Should we leave right now?
Should we leave right now? Maybe after half an hour, you can. Okay. Thank you. Then we have Jeel. Jeel Vadodaria, are you there? Jeel Vadodaria is not there. Okay. Vishal Panseria, are you there? No? Okay, I think somebody requested that he or she was not there, and network issue. So Pujan, is your network issue came? Do you still have the network issue? Pujan? Your Pujan still does not have the network. Okay, so do we have Krishna Ranjan? Do we have Krishna Ranjan?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
My first question is, do you love traveling?
Can you repeat your question?
Do you love traveling?
Do you love traveling? Yes, I love traveling.
My second question is, does Australia have more diversity than India?
Does Australia? Well, I don't think so. I've never been to Australia, but what I know is that it's having very little say diversity compared to India. So that much I know. So that's that. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
What I could see is most of you gave the examples that were from the basics. Now, what I'll suggest is if you can give a few more examples like this by using do, does, or did, because there were less number of examples from these kinds of structures. So if you can look at these examples that I cite for you. So looking at these examples, if you can try a few more. So do we have Kishan Bhimani? Kishan, are you there? Kishan Bhimani? No? Kishan Bhimani, are you there? Okay. Do we have Krishna Kunt?
Yes,
Krishna.
sir.
Yes, Krishna. Can you try question something like this that starts with do, does, or did? Did you notice the examples I gave you?
Yes, sir.
Do you like the examples I shared with you? Do you understand the questions I asked you?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. So now you may use do, does, or did in your questions and try.
My question is, do you like tea?
Do you like tea? Yes, I do. That's why I'm called teacher, you see. Yeah. Next. Yep. Go ahead, Krishna. Any one question. You can look at these questions. I'm sure you'll get some idea and you may share.
Yeah. Did you know Rohan?
Did you know Rohan? Well, I don't know even Rian. How would I know Rohan? Right? But good try. Yes, thank you, Krishna. Then we have Bridge Parekh. Are you there, Bridge?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bridge. Go ahead with your questions. Make sure that it starts with do, does, or did.
Okay, sir. My first question is, do you like online class?
Well, I like classes as long as there are students in the class. Yeah, so that's Bridge's first question. Now, second question. Yes, Bridge, go ahead.
Yes, sir. 2 minutes. Okay. Did you come on 31st December party?
Did you come on 31st December party? That's a good question. That's The answer is no. I don't go to 31st parties. Right, but good phrase and good question. Thank you, Bridge. Then we have Awadh. Awadh. Do we have Awadh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Awadh. So what is your question? Number one.
So my first question is, did you think about our exam?
Did you think about our exam? No, no, I haven't. Nobody thought of your exam. Don't worry, right? Just enjoy the first couple of say days without exam. Then we have
Yes.
second question. I think you still have one more question to ask.
Yes. Do you like playing cricket?
I used to. Now it's not possible due to time and other issues. Okay, so
Okay.
that was Awadh. Thank you, Awadh. Next to Awadh, I think we have Deepak Kumar. Deepak Kumar Giri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Deepak Kumar. Can you ask a few questions? Let's start with do, does, or
Yes,
did.
sir.
Go ahead.
Mhm. 1 minute, sir. May I?
Did you notice the examples on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand these questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so these are two more examples for you. Right, now you can
Sir,
try.
did you like to him?
Did you?
Like to him?
Huh. The question is correct. Only two is unnecessary. You can remove two. Did you like him?
Okay, sir. Did you like him?
Yes, so that would be the correct question. Did you like him? Yes, I like everyone. I like everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, may I share any problem with you, sir?
Okay. May I share any problem, or you should say, may I share my problems? Yes, you
Yes,
can,
sir.
as long as they are academic problems, right? Or language related problems. I'll try and help in
Yes, sir.
whatever ways I can, right? So you can share.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So you are most welcome. So that was Deepak with us. Then we have Deepak number 2, Deepak Anand. Do we have Deepak Anand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Deepak Anand. Yes. Your two questions.
So my first question is, do you share your personal information with me?
Do you share? Okay. Structurally it is correct. If you want
And
to
my
ask, इसको हिंदी में कैसे पूछोगे इस क्वेश्चन को?
क्या आप मेरे साथ अपना जो पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन आप शेयर कर सकते हैं?
कर सकते हैं कि करेंगे?
करेंगे, सॉरी सर।
हाँ, तो करेंगे मतलब will. So क्वेश्चन क्या होगा? Will you share? है ना?
Do you? Yes.
तो do you नहीं आएगा, will you आएगा. Will you share? है ना? Yes. Next.
Do you have any problem with your senior?
Do you have any problem with your seniors? No, I don't have any problem with my senior or junior or colleagues. Right? Life is so far so good. Not even with the students. Right? So that's two of your questions. Then we have Dharmil Hirani. Do you have Dharmil? Are you there, Dharmil? So Kishan Bhimani said mic is not working. Dharmil, your mic is working? Okay, do we have Nisar Alam? Nisar
Yes,
Alam?
sir.
Yes, Nisar.
Yes,
Would you like
sir.
to ask?
My first question is, did you know the Marwadi University?
Did you know?
About the Marwadi University.
Okay, so I think it is a similar mistake which people make using article the. You don't use article the before proper names such as Marwadi, such as Bihar, such as Gujarat, such as India. We just say, did you know India? Did you know Marwadi? Did you know Bihar? Did you know Gujarat? Right? So we don't use article before proper names. So can you repeat your question now?
Did you know about Marwadi University?
Perfect question. Did you know about Marwadi University? Well, of course I knew. Yes, next.
Do you understand?
Yes, do you understand? I did, I think I did. Did you understand? So that's a good question.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's there. Now these were the first couple of kinds of questions that we had. Right now, what we are going to have tomorrow would be more say detailed questions where information is asked. Right here, you did not ask for the information; you just wanted a confirmation. Right? That did you get it or did you understand, something like that. Right? So what we'll try and see in the next session would be about further questions where you will actually need to ask. Let's say as students, you will have many doubts, you will have many confusions, especially as the first year students. So you will need to ask so many questions, right? Yes, no questions, WH questions, information based questions, polite questions. So all those things we'll try and see. We have seen a few kinds of questions today. And in this connection itself, we are going to continue with a few more kinds of questions in the next session, right? So that's what we are going to have in our next session. So that's all from my side today. Give me a few minutes to find out the attendance and then we'll start. Okay, so I think I have the attendance sheet with me. So let's see. Do we have Ravi Kumar? Ravi Kumar, are you there? Ravi Kumar? No? Okay. Okay. And do we have Ramji Kumar? No. Jai Dobaria?
Yes, sir.
Jai is there. Okay. Do we have Rakesh Kushwaha? Okay. Do we have Janisa Patel?
Present, sir.
Okay. Guddu Kumar? Ashutosh Kumar? Do we have Hariom Kumar? Do we have Harshvardhan Soni? Do we have Abhishek Kumar Tiwari? Sonu Kumar? Manish Kumar? Brij Parekh?
Present, sir.
Okay. Abhishek Raj?
Present, sir.
Okay. Shivani Ba Bhatti?
Present, sir.
Okay. Jai Dave?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dhaval Bhatti?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have Krishna Khoon?
Yes, sir.
Ravi Rathod?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Miraj?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rohit Kumar? Number 21, Rohit Kumar, are you there? Okay. Ankit Kumar. And Rishi Raj. Okay. Animesh Raj. And Rakesh Kumar Shah. Nikhil Nigam Sharma.
Present, sir. Rakesh Kumar, sir.
Rakesh Kumar, pay attention.
Present, sir. Rakesh Kumar, sir.
Vishal Kumar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Awadh.
Present, sir.
Sultania. Yes.
Present, sir.
Prince, are you there? Okay. Girdhar Kumar. Okay. Pankaj Kumar. Okay. Then we have Deepak Anand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Mahadev Kumar. No. And Venus Yadav. Venus Yadav.
Present, sir.
Okay. Priyanshu Ader. Priyanshu Ader.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Then Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Vivek is there. Okay. Akshay Kumar. No. Navneet Kumar. Navneet Kumar. No. Shami Akhtar.
Present,
Shami
sir.
Akhtar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hemant Kumar, you are absent for this class. Hemant Kumar. Hemant Kumar, can you hear me? Hemant Kumar.
Present, sir.
You are not present today. You are absent. What are you doing on the screen? No, Hemant Kumar is absent today.
सीख रहा था
ऐसे नहीं सीखते आप.
सर सीख रहे थे.
ऐसे नहीं सीखते स्क्रीन पर आप. पूरी क्लास को डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हो. कब से देख रहा हूं मैं.
ओके सर.
ओके नहीं है ये.
सॉरी सर.
आप सॉरी मत होइए, बिहेव करिए. मैं पूरी क्लास से निकाल दूंगा आपको. पिछले 3 लेक्चर से देख रहा हूं आपको. बीच में बोलते ही जा रहे हैं. मैं बता रहा हूं आपको एब्सेंट ले रहा हूं, प्रेजेंट ले रहा हूं. और आज क्या कर रहे थे कब से आप ये स्क्रीन पे? एचओडी से बात करूं आपके?
सॉरी सर.
एब्सेंट लगा दूंगा पूरे 10 लेक्चर के लिए आपकी.
नहीं सर, अब नहीं करेंगे.
आपका टर्न आए तब तक वेट करिए. आपका नाम जितने भी एब्सेंट प्रेजेंट है 2 बार बोल रहा हूं मैं आपके लिए. और आप है कि ये क्या लगा रखा है स्क्रीन पर? हेत मुझपरा. हेत मुझपरा, आर यू देयर?
Present, sir.
जी.
Present.
ओके. सरजिल जुनेजा. भक्ति दवे. खेलन सेखड़ा. रौनक बाबरिया.
Present, sir. Present.
यूसुफ राशिद.
Present, sir.
हिनल सटोदिया.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
ओके. किशन हिरानी.
Present, sir. Present.
Raj Manish Bhai Shah. Raj, are you there? Okay. Samarth Cooler. Krishna Ranjan.
Present, sir.
Okay. Vishal Kumar. 51 number. Vishal Kumar.
Present, sir.
जी. हर्ष पिचडिया.
Present, sir. Present.
हाँ. Deep Patel, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Deep Patel, where are you from?
Gujarat, Navsari.
And what your father is doing?
Businessman.
And what do you want to do?
Yes, sir.
What do you want to do? Do you want to do business?
Yes, sir.
And do you want to complete your engineering?
No.
You don't want to complete your engineering?
No, sir.
So that's why you are doing what you did today?
Sorry, sir.
Right. So make sure you don't set a bad example.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, we have Jeel Vadodaria.
Yes.
Okay. Vishal Panseria. Vishal Panseria is there. Kishan Bhimani. Are you there? Okay, Kishan, it seems your mic is not working. Okay, Nisar Alam.
Present.
Ji. Arvind Gupta.
Present, sir.
Ji, Arvind Gupta. Nisar Alam is present, yes. Arun Gupta is not there. Sunil Yadav. Sunil Yadav, are you there? Okay. Smith Joshi. Smith Joshi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Aditya Nakum. Aditya Nakum. Okay. Hemant Kumar.
यस सर
तो प्रेजेंट लगानी है कि एब्सेंट लगा दूं?
प्रेजेंट लगाइए, एक भी क्लास नहीं छूटा है।
हाँ छूटा नहीं, अटेंड करके क्या कर रहे हो आप? ये बदमाशी करते हो आप?
नहीं सर, ये ट्राई कर रहे थे तो हो गया।
हाँ तो पढ़ाई के लिए नोटबुक होती है, स्क्रीन नहीं होती है। स्क्रीन पे नहीं सीखते आप।
ओके सर।
दूसरी बार ऐसा हुआ तो पूरी क्लास लगा दूंगा आपकी मैं।
जी सर।
ओके। पुनीत
जी
कुमार।
अब नहीं।
जी पुनीत कुमार। प्रशांत राजपूत। प्रशांत राजपूत।
यस सर।
ओके। हेमंत कुमार। हाँ वंशिता
सर।
हाँ वंशिता परमार।
प्रेजेंट सर।
ओके। अजय सिंह। अजय सिंह।
प्रेजेंट सर।
ओके। दीपक कुमार। दीपक कुमार
Yes,
गिरी।
sir. Present, sir.
जी
Present, sir.
धर्मिल हिरानी।
प्रेजेंट सर।
ओके। दिया वेकरिया।
Present, sir.
दिव्यराज परमार। दिव्यराज परमार, are you there? Okay. James. Jigar
Yes,
James.
sir.
Yes, Jigar James is
Yes,
there.
sir. Yes,
And then
sir.
Pujan Donga.
Present, sir.
Okay, and Dharmil Hirani is there. Ravi Kumar. Ravi Kumar, are you there? And Vikas Kumar from IT. Vikas Kumar from IT. Number 27. Vikas Kumar, are you there? No. Okay, so that's all for all. I think all of you are there. Yes, those
Hello,
whose
sir.
attendance is done, they can leave. Those whose attendance is done, they can leave.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, who's
सर
next?
अभिषेक राज की अटेंडेंस हो गई है।
Abhishek?
राज।
Abhishek Raj is done, right? उसकी तो आगे आ गई थी ना?
यस सर, यस सर, थैंक यू
उनकी
सर।
हो गई, जी जी हो गई।
सर आई एम दिव्यराज कुमार।
हाँ कहाँ थे दिव्यराज?
Mic didn't work.
Diviraj Parmar, right?
Yes, I have to rejoin the meeting.
पुनीत कुमार।
Yeah. Check your mic next time. Be careful, okay? Yes, fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Rest of you
Puneet
can
Kumar.
leave. Puneet Kumar. Puneet Kumar is present. Yes, go ahead. Thank you.
Okay, sir.